Ever wondered how to make the perfect pasta with tomato sauce at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the art of creating this classic Italian dish from scratch. Pasta with tomato sauce, a dish as simple as it is delicious. A dish that, when done right, is a symphony of flavors that brings joy to the palate. So, how does one achieve this perfection? The first step is to gather all the ingredients. Fresh tomatoes, a couple of cloves of garlic, some high-quality olive oil, a handful of fresh basil, salt, pepper, and, of course, your pasta of choice. Preferably, choose a pasta that can hold the sauce well, like penne or fusilli. Start by preparing the sauce. Dice the tomatoes and chop the garlic finely. Heat a splash of olive oil in a pan, add the garlic and sauté until it's just starting to color. Then, add the tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper, and let the sauce simmer until the tomatoes break down and the sauce thickens. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. This is where the pasta comes in. The key to perfect pasta is cooking it al dente, which means it should be cooked so that it still has some bite. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, but it's best to follow the instructions on the pasta package. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it, but save a cup of the pasta water. This starchy water is a secret weapon in creating a silky, well-emulsified sauce. Add the pasta directly into the pan with the sauce, toss it well to ensure every piece is coated, and let it cook for a minute or two. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash of the pasta water. Finally, tear up some fresh basil leaves and sprinkle them over the pasta. The heat will release the basil's aroma, adding another layer of flavor to the dish. And there you have it, the perfect pasta with tomato sauce. A simple yet satisfying dish that's easy to make at home. To recap the process, start by preparing the sauce with fresh tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. While the sauce is simmering, cook the pasta until it's al dente. Combine the pasta with the sauce, adding some of the pasta water if needed. Finish the dish with fresh basil. It's a symphony of flavors, a dance of textures, and above all, a testament to the beauty of simplicity. So next time you're craving some comfort food, why not give this recipe a try? You might just discover your new favorite dish. After all, nothing beats a homemade pasta with tomato sauce.